This 2005 Honda CR-V Sport Utility is located in Milwaukee and has 46,418 miles on it. This sport utility has a beautiful Sahara Sand metallic exterior paint color which is complemented by an ivory interior color. This vehicle features 3 rear 3-point seat belts, 4 cargo area tie-down anchors, 15.3-gallon fuel tank, 16 ANCO alloy wheels, 2-speed intermittent windshield wipers, and many other features. For more information on this great sport utility, please click the link to the right.